Ito.
Ito po yung isa sa magagaya po nila. Siya ito uupo. At kung paano, ito matambok ang likod at kung paano din ay gumanon, bahala na po. Kulang pa po ang ating pag-aaral. Atin po itong alamin sa the next future time. At salamat po. Ito naman po ang the pyramid. Ang pyramid po, even though during that time, there's no other, there's no engineer. Hindi camera. Ayan, camera. May camera naka-on.
Oo.
Ang pyramid po, even po hanggang sa ngayon, ang mga engineer po natin, ang ating pong architecture, inaalam po kung bakit ang pyramid ay perfect curve, which is during that time, there's no engineer. There's no architecture. Wala pa nga pong bakal na ginagamit to harden the structural form of any buildings during that time. Ito po, ang tinatawag nila the pyramid. Same size, back and forth. Talaga pong matibay ang pyramid. Kaya ang mga tao noon ay namamangha. And it's very stunning. It's very stunning thing that they wondered why during that time without any engineers or architecture and it curves a perfect pyramid. Salamat po. Pwede po nang patuloy sa bahay. And as you can see, naririto po tayo sa iba't ibang uri ng minerals. I could say this is a minerals in too many different colors. Let's say kung halimbawa, gold minerals. The gold minerals is the matter number is 79 mineral. So probably nandiyan na rin yung ruby. Kasi pag napuno siya at natunaw, sila uri ng mga bato na pero ang ginto ay kumukulay din sila itong kulay or darker than this. Could be this one. There you go. So they put this here just to represent all different jewels or stone or metal stone that we have